If the next global conflict were to break out over a resource, that resource might not be oil. It might be water. Across the world, clean water is becoming scarce quietly, yet steadily. And this trend is spreading far beyond borders, politics, or economic power. Experts are warning us, the next major conflict could be about water. But this story is not meant to create fear. It is meant to understand the reality we face and to find the signs of hope emerging within it. Chapter 1: How serious is the global water shortage? Here are some facts shaping the world today. 1 in 3 people do not have access to safe drinking water. Rising temperatures are causing longer droughts and unstable rainfall. By 2030, the world is expected to face a 40% water shortfall. In parts of Africa, women still walk 20-30 kilometers a day to collect water. Major cities in India remain at risk of complete water shutdowns day zero. This is no longer just an environmental issue. Water shortages now threaten food production, industry, and even the stability of entire nations. Chapter 2: Why does water lead to conflict? Water has no substitute. Oil can be replaced. Food can be imported. But water cannot be shipped in large quantities to sustain a population. Most rivers flow through several countries, which means one country's decision upstream can determine life or death downstream. The Nile, Egypt, Sudan, Ethiopia. The Euphrates, Turkey, Syria, Iraq. The Indus, India, and Pakistan. When a river becomes a nation's lifeline, any change in its flow can trigger tension. That is why water can become a spark, a quiet but powerful one. Chapter 3: Yet hope is emerging through technology. Despite the challenges, over the past 10 to 15 years, water-related technologies have made major progress. Here are some of the breakthroughs reshaping the future. 1. Turning seawater into drinking water. Desalination used to be expensive and energy-heavy. Today, with AI control, new filtration materials, and renewable energy, its cost has dropped dramatically. In Israel, about 70% of drinking water now comes from desalination. The country has effectively escaped chronic water shortages. A future where desert nations have enough water is no longer science fiction. 2. Creating water from air and sunlight. In parts of Africa, solar-powered devices are now generating clean water directly from the air. These machines can produce 100 to 300 liters of drinking water per day, even in areas with no wells and no rivers. Because they run on sunlight, they work in remote villages where electricity is unreliable. For communities that once walked many kilometers for water, this technology is beginning to change daily life. 3. Japanese water purifying filters helping on the ground. Japanese-developed filtration systems are being used in regions where water contamination is a daily threat. They are designed to remove bacteria and impurities reliably, be repaired or replaced by local staff, withstand harsh environments, operate for long periods at low cost. Quietly, these systems are improving quality of life across Africa, South Asia, and Southeast Asia. Chapter 4: Water can also inspire cooperation. Water has caused tension, but it has also encouraged unlikely partnerships. India and Pakistan, despite conflict, continue to honor their decades-old water-sharing treaty. Israel and Jordan are developing a project that trades solar energy for desalinated water. Several African countries now share dam data to prevent accidental overuse and reduce conflict. Water is both a source of friction and a resource that forces nations to work together. This unique nature of water is giving rise to new forms of cooperation. Chapter 5: A quiet question for the future. If water can divide nations, what should humanity choose going forward? Should it be competition or shared responsibility? Technology is advancing, cross-border cooperation is growing, and slowly, the world is moving toward collaboration rather than conflict. The water crisis is immense, but real hope is beginning to appear. Water can become a spark for war, but it can also become a pathway toward peace. Ending. The world changes when small realizations accumulate. Understanding the water crisis and seeing the quiet efforts happening around the world. These are the first steps toward protecting the water future of the next generation.